Hi everybody, welcome, it's pie day. Today I'm going to make Aussie style meat pie. A wonderful celebration of Australian pie culture. So without any further ado, let's get cracking, shall we? No great meat pie is complete without onions. And on this occasion, we're chopping quite a few onions, about half a pound of finely diced white onion. The onion's going to give us a wonderful flavour mixed with our meat. Our pie filling is going to taste truly fabulous. Once those onions are chopped, let's get them in the pan, shall we? A nice chunk of beef tallow or beef dripping with a couple of cloves of minced garlic. In goes the onions. I'm also going to add some parsley, some rosemary and some thyme. And I'm going to cook this now for about 5 minutes until it starts to turn brown. I'm not going to fully caramelise it, but once it starts to show us some colour, we can then, here we are, it's nice and brown now, we're going to add our meat. About 2.5 pounds of 15% fat ground beef goes in. I'm going to mix that through until it's cooked. Just cooked through, and once it's cooked through, we can add some mustard, followed by the amazing Worcestershire sauce and some onion powder. Let's cook that for a couple of minutes, get it all mixed in nicely. Once that's been mixed in, I'm going to add some tomato sauce, and this will change the appearance completely. Lovely rich tomato flavour. In goes some rich beef stock. Don't forget, all the measurements and ingredients will be in the description below. Let's simmer this for 15 minutes on a medium heat before adding a little bit of colouring. On this occasion I'm adding gravy browning or brown food colouring. It'll make our filling lovely and rich in appearance, make it slightly more appetising. Cook that for a few minutes. Now it's time to thicken, and I'm going to use flour and water. I'm going to whisk it through. Use a fork if you like. Make sure there's no lumps in. With the filling bubbling away, gradually add the floury paste to the filling. Once it's added, over a medium heat, you can stir the flour and the water into your meat filling, and it will become beautifully thick and gloopy. Look at that, it's looking wonderful. Really is beautiful. Let's add some salt and pepper, shall we? And now, as you can see, demonstrated there, it's perfect. I'm going to leave that to set for about 6 hours in the fridge. And now it's time to make the pie. In goes the base. There we are. Press it right down with your thumbs. Use those fingers to get that pastry pressed down, and then trim the sides. Pack it with that lovely meat filling that's now set. A few more I'm making there. Now I'm going to brush the outside of the pastry with a little bit of water. On goes the lid. Secure it with your thumbs, and then pop a little pattern on around the outside with some sort of fork or even a knife, whatever you prefer. Now I'm going to trim off that surplus pastry before popping on a figurine of an A to symbolise Australia. Now I'm going to brush with rich egg yolk. Look at that, beautiful. Little bit of cracked black pepper, enhance the appearance of the pie. Stab it for ventilation in the oven for about half an hour. And that is a wonderful golden brown meat pie. Turn it round, upside down, see if it's cooked on the bottom. It's cooked beautifully. Shall we cut it in half to see what it's like inside? Wonderful flaky crumbly pastry. Okay, oh goodness gracious me. That looks absolutely beautiful. All that lovely ground beef and onion in that lovely dark gravy. That, my friends, is an Australian style meat pie. If you've enjoyed the video today, folks, please subscribe if you haven't already. You can always like, share and comment as well. Press the notification bell if you want to find out about my next video. It's pie time for me. I'll see you all very soon. Thanks for watching.